Hi, my name is Adit Kedia and today we are going to understand why exactly does the beach get so windy. Have you ever been relaxing on the beach when all of a sudden a strong gust of wind comes and blows away your snacks, towel or maybe even your umbrella? Well, today I'll be answering the question of why exactly does a strong wind come at the beach. So where exactly do these winds come from? To answer this question, we will conduct an experiment. So the materials that we need is a spatula, a pot, two of these bowls, some ice which we have kept inside the freezer for now, a lighter, an incense stick, some sand, and a cardboard box which is cut from two sides. Step 1 is to warm the sand as hot as it can get because it resembles the hot sand which is on the beach on a normal day. So once the sand is warm enough, you have to put it in a glass bowl. Then we take the bowl with ice cold water out, and now we place this in the cardboard box. The reason for this cardboard box was to minimize any external airflow, which basically means we don't want any outside air to affect our experiment. So now we take the incense stick and the lighter and the hot sand in the experiment represents the hot sand on the beach, and the ice water represents the cooler ocean. The hot sand causes the air to rise, which creates an area of low pressure, which basically means that the air is less dense than its surrounding air. To balance out the difference in pressures, wind is created. The wind pushes the air from the high pressure zone to the low pressure zone, and we were able to see this process happen by the incense stick in real life. This is the exact process which happens at the beach.